y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel, Lexquisite Life, where we learn to live our lives exquisitely, one plan at a time. So, this week, since we are celebrating Black History Month, and I am trying my hardest to find some black planner babes and sticker shops to work with, well, not to work with, to purchase from. I found Tawana Simone. I found her on Etsy, but she does have her own website, so I will link her website down below in the description box. But I love the way these ladies look. If you've seen my recent haul, you would have seen this. And this is just a one-page spread, so we're going to pair her with, and I haven't decided which one is going to work best, but with Mojo Jojo, either winter, or if I'm just going to do straight up black boxes, or I may end up using some of the blue from the rainbow. I haven't quite decided yet, but I know. Oh, I may even get away with, because that brown in her hair reminds me of this brownish color right here. We may be using all of these Mojo Jojo books. Who knows? Who knows, you guys? Who knows? So let's get into our catch-all planner. So now that we are hopping right into it, let me go ahead and pull my pages out and let's start getting the decor together. So this spread is going to be a little sparse starting out just because I won't have any bullet points or anything, because I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to use that still match with the spread. So right now I'm pulling out Miss Ma'am. Now I know I wanted to use her, but I didn't know in exactly what aspect I wanted to use her in. So now I'm looking through some of Mojo's plans, trying to find the right color blue, and didn't have it in that rainbow one. So I'm going, and I think the next one I pull is, because I was like, if push comes to shove, I'll just use black boxes. But I really wanted to put some color in there. So I went to the winter sticker book to see maybe if that matched, and it didn't. It wasn't green enough. And then I was like, well, maybe I'll pull the dark blue, but that wasn't sitting right with me either. And I was like, okay, Sid, we got to figure this out because this ain't it. So I'm going through, and I grabbed Heather Kell's Rainbow Basics. I remember there was a teal color in there, and I was like, yes, girl, yes. We like. That's what we needed. So I'm going ahead, and I'm pulling a couple stickers from there. And then I'm going to go into the Autumn sticker book, and I wanted to use that reddish brown tone because that is the same color of her hair. So I was like, okay, we got the teal from her outfit, the brown from her hair, melanin popping, Black History Month. Let's get it. Let's go. I was feeling all the feels. All the feels. And then I was like, wait a second now. Let me figure out what I'm going to do with the sidebar. Okay, this sticker is too long, so we're going to have to switch it up and change it up. So I went right back into that Autumn sticker book by Mojo Jojo. And one thing Mojo Jojo can do, baby, is she can serve some boxes, honey. And I'm here for all of it. All of it, all of it, all of it. So I went ahead and put this little quote in there. It says, too busy to care. And I realized after I filmed this video that these stickers have like a glossy overlay. So it's kind of hard to see with the gloss. But she still was cute, and she still was giving everything that she needed to give, and then some. And if you wanted more, she would have had more ready for you, okay? So I went ahead and I put her down on the sidebar, and I'm just going to start really kind of filling in my spread and laying my stickers down. So I have been loving this line vertical spread. I'm really loving it. I think the next layout that I'm going to try to tackle maybe is the horizontal. I almost feel like I could use a dashboard layout, but I'm just not ready to give up the go yet. Like, I know a lot of the times I write the same plans over and over again, but I like the way the vertical spread, goes through my week. I don't know if I could use the dashboard layout, like, all the time, it's I'm still trying to figure that out. So We shall see. But I went ahead and put that cluster down for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, sort of, kind of, because Mondays are real hit or miss for me. Some Mondays, I'm ready to go, ready to attack the week. Other Mondays, I get home from work and I feel like the week just slapped me all upside my head and was like, Trick, this is what we doing this week. We going by what I got going on. So it really just depends. I have an idea that this Monday is going to slap me upside my head just because we have been dealing with over a foot of snow this past week, and I worked from home. The warehouse was open. But they ended up having to shut down early just because the road conditions were not savory. So I'm feeling like I'm going to come into work on Monday and I got to have my game face on, ready to go, because it's probably going to be a hot mess express. I feel it in my spirit that that's probably what's going on. So I'm going to go ahead and put that little me day. It is a little bathtub, y'all, and it's so cute. I went ahead and put that down on Sunday. I was like, yes, girl, serve it up, serve it up, serve it up. Put Miss Ma'am down on Thursday. And although there was several of her face, I didn't want to keep putting a bunch of her, honestly. Just because we got that full body. Now, if I wouldn't have used the full body one, I probably would have put both of the little headshots of her in the spread. Y'all, Diamond is over here begging for attention. So if you hear whining in the background, my apologies. This is the third time I'm recording this verse over, and I'm not going to give her the justification to whine just because she wants attention, okay? Sorry about that in advance. But I went ahead and put that happy hour sticker down. Just in case I do something on Thursday. I may not do nothing on Thursday after work, but it was cute, so I figured I'd throw it down. I put that money roll on Friday because that is payday. And we got to pay them bills, girl. We got to pay them bills. Especially because I've already went over budget this week. But that's okay. We're going to make it up. We're not going to stress. We just going to make it up, move on and move forward and carry on throughout life, okay? So now I'm looking for one more of those teal boxes to put down on Tuesday. Because Tuesday evening, do I have something going on Tuesday? I might not have anything going on Tuesday, but it looked out of balance without having another box down there at the bottom. So I put another one. Don't know why. And then I put that weekend vibe sticker because it is the weekend, boo, and we're going to have all the good vibes. So now that spot is kind of empty, so I'm trying to figure out what I can put there. So I decided to pull up that quote that says, definitely not today. And then I'm just going to embellish it with some heart stickers in a moment. And then I put that, and I think that's her trying to say, like, she got this much patience left. And that's usually me by the time the end of the week comes. So I went ahead and put that at the end of the week because I got like that much patience left for any other people's in God's world. You know, I know I'm a Christian and I'm working towards being right for God and being the best I can be for God. Working on that is working on my patience. And boy, oh boy, let me just tell you, be specific in what you pray for, because God will give you something that you asked for, but not in the manner in which you thought you were going to get it. So that's my spread for this week. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.